Right. Hey guys, just have a brand new product here that I just finished up yesterday or whatever at the shop and got it powder coated, and it's actually snowing today, so it's great, so I can go out and use it. But for years now, I've been having guys that have wanted to get some weights up front while they're plowing or snow blowing or even with the sweeper, depending on what they're doing. But guys are trying to figure out how to get weights up here for more traction when their snow blower or snow plow is down. Because if you have a little bit of down pressure on that, it picks up your front tires, so you lose your steering and you lose your drive as well. So what I came up with is, I mean, your loader is off, so these loader mounts are sitting here. So if we did this, then we can get weight. I'll put the weights on, but the weights will kind of basically sit right over the tire. So it'll get plenty of weight up here, so you can put 3 of them on each side. So whether you have 41s and or 70s, they both will fit. This is the 2025R, so a little bit bigger tire than the 1025R. So there is enough clearance for turning, and if you have your all the weight down there and the tires are just free flowing up here, nothing hits, everything clears with or without weight. So the 1025, the smaller tires, you're gonna have more clearance, but everything does clear. So excited about that. I think this is gonna add a lot of weight up front and give you a lot more traction, and all the way around it's going to be way better. So it goes on really slick and simple. You just pull out the pin and it pops out. Put it back in and put the pin through and lock it in place. So fits really simple, really easy to use. Take it on and off very easily. So that'll be out here real soon.
Is that a separate pin, or is that the same pin that you used for your loader?
No, we'll send this pin with this product, so you'll have everything to use it right away. So there is no other pins from anything else. All right, hey guys, this is the new product that I'm super excited about. I just got in from plowing or snow blowing some snow here, and this worked out awesome. Having all this weight up front. As you can see, I got 2 70-pounders and a 41-pound weight on here. What a huge difference it made. We had kind of that wet, slushy snow today, and then it kind of froze over. So it was slushy, and then it turned into ice and everything else. So by having this extra weight, I mean, was this 180 pounds on each side? I got the exact same setup over on that side. I was able to put more down force or down pressure on the actual snow blower itself, and was able to keep the traction. So I wasn't going sideways from where I wanted to go. I had great traction. I was really impressed with how this worked out. So you can put 41s and or 70. There's clearance on everything. You turn your tires, you go up and down. Everything clears, nothing hits. Like I said, this is the 2025, so I got a little bigger tire than the 1025, but everything clears. So super excited about this product. I felt like it made a humongous difference when I was out plowing snow today. So thanks.